I'm here with my Dash Omelette Maker, and I am making a blueberry arugula omelet on toast. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. If you hear ticking noise in the background, that is my toaster oven making toast. What you see here is my Dash Omelette Maker. This is an old appliance. I don't even think this is still available anymore. I have it plugged in. It is heating up. It's nice and hot now, and I just washed a handful of fresh arugula, which I am going to put in here. This should cook down quite a bit. Being very careful not to touch the hot surface. Okay, I think that's good. Let's shut this and let that cook for about a minute or two. It's been a few minutes. And here's the arugula. It's cooked down quite a bit, which is nice. Now I have a beaten egg, which I'm going to pour over the arugula. I'm only using one egg. Let's just push it around so it goes everywhere. That looks good. And I also have some blueberries. I like the combination of arugula, which can be bitter, with something a little sweet, like blueberries, for example. I think that looks really good. Let's shut this and cook it for another few minutes. It's been 2 minutes now. Let's check on the omelet. That's what it looks like. I think it needs another 2 minutes. So let's shut this. It's been another minute. That looks really good. I've decided that I'm going to add a few chunks of Swiss cheese to this. This is just about 1/3 of an ounce of cheese. Okay, let's shut this just enough to melt the cheese. Can I shut it all the way? It's been about a minute now, so let's see how well the cheese is doing. I think that looks great, so let's unplug this and let's see if we can get the omelet out. Is it going to break or is it going to come right out? Here's my omelet. Look how perfectly it fits on this piece of sourdough toast. It's like the perfect size. This toast is really crispy. I'm gonna give it a try. That's really good. The toast is a little dry, so I'm going to add some ghee to it. Let's just move the omelet off. I've been using ghee quite a bit recently in place of butter. It's super spreadable, which is why it's great to put on toast. If you only have butter that's been in the fridge, so that'll help. Because this omelet fits so perfectly on this piece of toast, it's super easy just to lift it up and eat it like this. Which I would not recommend to do because I just bit into a blueberry and it burst and it shot hot blueberry juice all over the place. So I think it's better to eat it with a knife and fork and pierce the blueberries. It's safer that way. The Swiss cheese, arugula, and blueberries are such a nice combination because you have like the fattiness and saltiness of the cheese with the tartness and sweetness of the blueberries and the bitterness of the arugula. I'm just taking my fork and piercing all of these blueberries. See how that one just kind of exploded? There. So now I should be able to easily pick this up and just eat it that way without any blueberry explosions. That's really delicious, and it is so much better than any breakfast sandwich I could buy at a convenience store or at a fast food restaurant or anything, or even some of the many restaurants around here. Here we have some whole wheat sourdough toast with a little grass-fed ghee spread on top. And then the omelet's made with a pasture-raised egg, some fresh organic arugula from a local farm, some fresh organic blueberries from a local farm, and then some Swiss cheese. It's delicious, it's quick, it's easy, it's inexpensive, and you don't need to use the Dash Omelette Maker to make something like this. This could easily be made in the Dash Egg Bite Maker or in the Dash 8-inch griddle, or a smaller version could even be made in the Dash Mini Griddle. And so this is what I'm having for breakfast today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this small appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.